Guys, today we're watching this episode called Cry Wolf from Fireman Sam. Anyways, let's get started. When he hears that fire alarm, Sam is always cool and calm. If you're stuck, get him a shout. He'll be there to help you out. So move, Sam, make way. Fireman Sam, gonna save the day. Fireman Sam, saves the call. Sam is hero next door. This is why I love that intro.
Oh, thank you, Sam. I feel so much safer with a proper fire alarm.
No problem, Dillis.
You know, guys, the cartoon movement already made this video of Fireman Sam, and that's why I'm just thinking, why just they call us Cry Wolf? Is it kind of fairy tale or something? Well, who cares?
Give it a test and then I'll be on my way.
Oh.
Hey, yo,
How
Norman.
many more times? Take that football outside.
Can't. It's too windy out there.
Sam!
Come on, Norman. Just play somewhere else. Even though it's not windy, or it's windy or something.
No! Fire! Fire!
Relax, Dillis. I'm just testing the alarm.
Oh.
Yikes.
If there's a fire, break the glass with this hammer. But only if there's a fire.
Norman! Outside! Shoo!
He's going outside for a bit.
Ball is going to be nothing but trouble. I just know it.
I hope so.
It's still too windy to play out there. Norman Price.
Please do not kick it.
Oh, fools the midfielder with a clever dummy. He's going for the hat trick. He shoots and...
What the hell, Norman?
Fire at Dillis' shop.
Oh god. There's no fire out it.
Fire at the Cut Price Supermarket, Sam. Ready to hear.
Oh god, this is not just a real fire. There's no fire on it, Sam. Yo, you're just in trouble.
All by itself.
I can't see any smoke or smell burning.
Totally right. You're totally right.
I'm not a detective, but I'd say this alarm didn't go off by itself.